So good evening everyone. Let's continue our class. So today we are going to discuss about trigonometric important questions. So trigonometry important questions. First I am going to solve all the problems which has given in 2025 and 2026 question paper. 2025 and 2026, 3 sets of question papers I have, as well as I have March question paper as well as May question paper. So I'm going to bring all the questions in front of you. So I'm going to solve all the questions one by one. So first we're going to solve the March important questions. March questions which has given in the question paper. First we are going to solve those problems. Then after that I'm going to discuss about important questions. Now see, in the set 1, so you can see the question paper here. In the set 1, this is the set 1 of the March question paper. In this one we got a question right over here. So you can see here, sin 2 alpha value is root 3 by 2, and they are asking what is the value of sin 3 alpha. Now see clearly, it is given as sin 2 alpha is equal to root 3 by 2. We have to find out the value of sin 3 alpha. So I am going to solve right over here only. So what is given in the question? Sin 2 alpha equals to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 value we know that sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees we are going to get root 3 by 2 value. So root 3 by 2 sin will be get cancelled. 2 alpha value we are getting 60 degrees. So if you cancel, you will get alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Now see, what did he ask in the question? Sin 3 alpha. So what is sin 3 alpha value? So we know the alpha value is 30 degrees. Sin of 3 into 30 degrees. So 3 3 is a 9. So sin 90 degrees value. So if you go through the trigonometric table, there you can know the value of sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees value is 1. So the answer is option C. I think everyone can able to understand the question clearly. So if you have any doubts, please do in the comment in the comment box, so that I can able to solve the problem. If you have any doubts also, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon also, so that furtherly I am going to bring all the important questions. Okay, now see here, I have already solved the question, one more question. So definitely we are going to get one more questions from the trigonometric chapter. Now see, the question is half of tan square 45 degrees minus cos square 60 degrees. Here, before solving the problem, we have to know the exact value of the tan 45 degrees and cos 60 degrees. As we know that tan 45 degrees value is 1, cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. As you see here, I have already solved this problem. So write down 1 by 2 as it is. Tan 45 degrees value is 1 and it is having a square. Write down its square. And cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 also write down square. So 1 square value is 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So if you know, do the LCM, otherwise do cross multiplication and denominator value. So if you do the LCM of these two numbers, 2 you are getting 2 times 2 2s are 4. So do cross multiplication. 4, if you are unable to do this one, do 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Do cross multiplication. 4 1s are 4 minus 2 1s are 2 by 2 4s are 8. 4 minus 2 answer is 2. Denominator 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So what you are going to get the value? C value, that is 1 by 4. Yes. So this is the question which you got in the set number 1. Now I'm going to tell in the set number 2 what are the questions we got. As you can see, in set number 2 also we got the same question. Yes, in the set number 2 also we got one more question same. And yes, here we got the another question in set number 2. So what is that question? See clearly. 1 by 3 of cot square 30 degrees minus 1 by 2 of secant square 16 degrees. Here before solving this one, we have to know what is the cot square 30 degrees value. So cot square 30 degrees value is root 3, and what is the secant square 60 degrees value. So if you know the secant square 60 degrees value, please do comment in the comment box. Yes, what is the value of secant 60 degrees? So secant 60 degrees value is, secant 60 degrees value is how much? 2. Cot 30 degrees value, so what is the value of cot? Cot 30 degrees value is 3. So I'm going to solve here only. Cot 30 degrees is equal to 3 and secant 60 degrees value is 2. So I'm going to substitute these two values in this one. What you are going to get? 1 by 3 into what is cot square 60 degrees, so that is 3 whole square minus 1 by 2 into secant square 60 degrees is 2 square. 1 by 3 into 3 square value is 9 minus 1 by 2 into 2 to the 4. So 2 ones are 2 2s are. So what you are going to get the value? So secant 60 degrees value is 2. Cot 30 degrees value is root 3 whole square. Square root will be get cancelled. We are going to get the value 3. Now see what we are going to get. 1 by 3 into, so 3 minus 2. So what you are going to get? 3 by 2 into 1. So if you are anyone can able to see the answer here. So there is no answer here. So we are going to solve one more time right over here. 1 by 2 into cot square 30 degrees minus 1 by 2 into secant square 60 degrees. Now look here, 1 by 2 into cot 30 degrees value is cot 60 degrees 30 degrees. Cot 30 degrees value is root 3 whole square minus 1 by 2 into secant 60 degrees. Secant 60 degrees value is 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 into square root will be get cancelled. 3 minus 1 by 2 into 2 square value is 4. So 1 by 2 into, so just try to do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 3 minus 2. So we're going to get the answer 1 by 2. So we got the answer here 1 by 2. Sorry, so this is given as not 1 by 2, this is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Yeah, so we are writing outside of the question. Let me write one side the question. 1 by 3 cot square 30 degrees minus 1 by 2 secant square 60 degrees. 1 by 3 into cot 30 degrees value is root 3 whole square minus 1 by 2 into, so 2 whole square. Square root will be get cancelled. So 1 by 3 into 3 minus 1 by 2 into 4. So 3 will be get cancelled. We are going to get the value here 1. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. 1 minus 2 answer is minus 1. So minus 1 answer is given here. So the 11th question answer is minus 1. So the answer is 1 here. Now when it comes to question paper number set number 3, so we got here set number 3. So here which are the questions we got from the trigonometric question trigonometric chapter that I am going to solve here. Yes, here comes the question. You can see the question here. What is the value of 1 by 2 tan square 45 degrees minus cos square 60 degrees? Now see, I am going to solve here only. 1 by 2 into tan 45 degrees value is 1 square minus cos 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus, write down square separately, root 3 whole square by 2 whole square. Square root will be get cancelled. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Just do cross multiplication. What your 4 ones are 4 minus 3 2s are 6 by 2 4s are 8. So we are going to get the answer minus 2 by 8. That one is the answer is, which is equals to minus 1 by 4. So option D is the correct answer here. Yes. So these are the three sets of the MCQs questions of trigonometric chapter, set 1, set 2 and set 3. So now I am going to show you the question paper of the May question paper. So what kind of questions we got in the May question paper? So the May question paper is quite easy than the paper 1. Yes. So what are the two different kinds of questions we got from the trigonometric chapter that I am going to explain now. So both we got the same questions. Now see, what is the first question is given. See the question here. If P into 2 sin 30 degrees by 1 minus sin square 30 degrees, which is equal to Q into 2 sin 30 degrees by 1 plus sin square degree, then we have to find out the ratio of P is to Q. So how we are going to solve this one? See carefully. So question I am keeping here. So I am going to solve the question. What is the question given here? That I am going to write first. P into 2 sin 30 degrees by 1 minus sin square 30 degrees, which is equal to Q into 2 sin 30 degrees by 1 plus sin square 30 degrees. So we know that sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. As we know that sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. P into 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 square, it is, write down square, which is equal to Q into same 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Here 2 will be get cancelled, 2 will be get cancelled. Here these are the squares. P into 1 by 1 minus square means 1 by 4, which is equal to Q into 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 square value 4, 1 by 1 by 4. P into 1 by, do cross multiplication here. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to Q into here also same. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So what you are going to get? P into 1 by 3 by 4, which is equal to Q into 1 by 5 by 4. So write down this one as reciprocal. P into 4 by 3 is equal to Q into 4 by 5. So cancel both the numerators. We are going to get the value. P by 3 is equal to Q by 5. Just exchange this P value and 3. So P by Q value becomes 3 by 5. So the ratio of the answer is 3 is to 5, which is given in the question paper right over here. See the answer. The answer is 3 is to 5. So everyone can, I think everyone can able to see the problem, this one. So if you are unable to see it, please do comment in the comment box compulsory. So these are the MCQs we got from the trigonometric chapter. Now we are going to solve 2 marks questions which we got from the trigonometric chapter. So I forgot to tell you, one more question they have already given. So what is that question? We'll solve that question also. Now see the question here only given, back to back question. In a right angle triangle, if cos B value is 1/4, then find the value of cot B. See the question clearly. Right angle triangle ABC, right angle at A. See the question clearly. He is given right angle at A. So this is the right angle triangle, and right angle triangle is asking at A. A is here, B is here, C is here. So what is cos? Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Now see what is given. That we'll write first. What is given in the question is given that cos B is equals to 1/2 right angle at A. Then we have to find out cot B value, we have to find out. That's it. So first write down cos B is equals to 1/2, that is according to right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem we will get adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is the right angle triangle, right angle at A, B and C. This is the opposite side, this one is the adjacent side, this one is the hypotenuse. Adjacent value is 1, hypotenuse value is 2. So as we know that by Pythagoras theorem, so what is Pythagoras theorem states? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent whole square. So this we are going to show in the right angle triangle. So what is hypotenuse? 2 whole square equals to opposite side we have to find out opposite whole square plus adjacent value is 1 whole square. 2 square value is 4 is equal to opposite square plus 1. So bring 1 to the right hand side. Then opposite square value becomes how much? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. So opposite square value is this is called 4, no? Okay, sorry, 4. It is 4, not 4. 4 for the 16. Opposite square is 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1, how much you are going to take? 15. So opposite equals to square goes to right hand side becomes root 15. So this is the value opposite. So they are asking cot B value. Cot B value is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent value is 1. Opposite value is root 15. So cot B value is 1 by root 15. So this is the value of the cot B. So this is the value of cot B. That's it. Now we are going to solve the 2 marks questions which are given from the trigonometric chapter from the May question paper. First we are going to solve the May question paper trigonometric problems. Now see the question here. So I am keeping the question right here only. First we are going to solve this cosecant B value. Cosecant theta equals to 13/12, then find the value of cot. See the question clearly. What is given question? Cosecant theta equals to 13/12, then find the value of cot B plus tan B. So what did he ask here? So this one cot theta plus tan theta we have to find out. He is given that cosecant theta value is given 13/12. Now see the question. What is given? Cosecant theta value is given as 13/12. According to trigonometric ratio, cosecant is what? Hypotenuse by opposite side. So draw the right angle triangle. This opposite side, adjacent and hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, what we will write? Hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. What is hypotenuse value? 13. What is opposite value? 12. So 13 whole square is equal to 12 whole square plus adjacent square. 13 square 169 is equal to opposite is 144 plus adjacent square. Square being to left hand side, 169 minus 144 equals to adjacent square. Write down in the order. Adjacent square equals to 25. Why? Because 169 minus 144 is 25. So adjacent value is equals to square root of 25 value is 5. Now we got adjacent value 5. So what did he ask in the question? Find the value of cot theta plus tan theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta means adjacent by opposite. Tan theta means opposite by adjacent. So cot theta adjacent by opposite, 5 by 12 plus 12 by 5. Do cross multiply. 5 5 is 25, 12 12 is 144, 12 5 is 60. Cross multiplication and denominator multiplication you have to do. So the answer is 169 by 60. Like this we have to solve the problem of 2 marks trigonometry question. So anyone having any doubt, please do comment in the comment box, compulsory. Now see the next question. So what is the next question here? Here given as tan A value is given as root 2 minus 1. Then we have to prove that tan A by 1 plus tan square A is equals to root 2 by 4. We have to prove that one. So what is given in the question? First we will write that one. Tan A value is given as root 2 minus 1. We have to prove that tan A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to root 2 by 4. This one we have to prove. So how we are going to prove that? By taking this one LHS, we have to prove RHS. So what is LHS is given? Tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Already we know that tan A value is given, that is root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1 by 1 plus root 2 minus 1 whole square. So which is equal to root 2 minus 1 by 1 plus, this one is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2 into root 2 into 1. Here square root will be get cancelled. What you are going to get? Root 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. So overall what you are getting? Root 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 root 2. Now we have to do the rationalizing. So how we are going to do the rationalizing is into 4 plus 2 root 2 by 4 plus 2 root 2. So denominator a plus b into a minus b format is there. So what you are going to get in the numerator? 4 into root 2, 4 root 2 minus 4 1s are 4 plus 2 into root 2 2 minus root 2 into 1 2 root 2. See denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus 2 root 2 whole square. Now see what you are getting that 4 root 2 minus 4 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 2 root 2. Write down 4 square 16. This is in the form of ab whole power of m. So what is ab whole power of m formula? A power of m into b power of m. So write down the squares. 2 squares separately and root 2 whole square separately. Square root will be get cancelled here. Plus 4 minus 4. 4 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So how much is remaining? 2 root 2 by 16 minus c. 2 square value 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 root 2 by 16 minus 8 is 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So answer is root 2 by 4. So finally we got the RHS value. Like this we have to solve this problem. So this is the we got from the May question paper set number 1. So we are going to see the problem from set number 3. So this is the 2 marks question. So we'll go for 3 marks questions also once again. So we'll see what are the 3 marks questions which are given in this trigonometry. Yes, we got one more question also in the trigonometry. What is that? This is the 3 marks question. What is given? Tan a minus cot a by sin a minus cos a is equal to tan square a minus cot square a. See the question clearly. Tan a minus cot a by sin a into cos a is equal to tan square a minus cot square a. And the second question also, sin a plus b is equals to root 3 by 2, cos a plus 4b equals to 0. We have to find the value of a and b. Both the questions I am going to write. I am going to solve the problems. Now see the question. So what is the first question which is given? What is the first question it is given? Tan a minus cot a by sin a into cos a is equal to tan square a minus cot square a. This we have to prove. Now see, whenever we are solving the problems in terms of tan, see carefully, whenever you are getting the problems in terms of tan, cot, secant and cosecant, convert these all trigonometric ratios in the form of sine and cos. Then only problem becomes very easy to solve. First I am going to write tan. Tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta. And cot theta means what? Cos theta by sin theta. So these tan and cot we are going to use in the form of tan and cot. So what is given LHS? Tan a minus cot a by sin a into cos a is equal to tan plus write down sin a by cos a minus in place of cot write down cos by sin, cos a by sin a. What is there in the denominators? Sin a into cos a. That's it. Do cross sin into sin, sin square a minus cos into cos, cos square a by denominator sin a into cos a. Again one more denominator is there. What is there? Sin a into cos a. So both the denominators are same. What you are going to get the answer? See here. Sin square a minus cos square a by in denominator. Both are in the same denominator. So you can write directly sin square a into cos square a. So if you want you can write separately sin square a by sin square a into cos square a minus cos square a by sin square a into cos square a. Here cos square a will be get cancelled. Here sin square a will be get cancelled. What you are going to get the answer? 1 by cos square a minus 1 by sin square a. What is 1 by cos? 1 by cos theta means secant theta. 1 by sin theta means cosecant theta. So what you are going to get the answer right over here is secant square a minus cosecant square a. Sir, problem is completed or no? Still the problem is there. We have to prove that tan square a minus cot square a also compulsory. So for this one we are going to prove here. So I am going to prove that one. Now see how we are going to write, that is the most important thing. Yes. Tan square a minus cot square a. As I told you previously that in place of tan we have to take sin by cos, in place of cot we have to take cos by sin. Sin a by cos a whole square minus cos a by sin a whole square. Write down square separately. Sin square a by cos square a minus cos square a by sin square a. Do cross multiplication. sin square a into sin square a minus cos square a into cos square a by sin square a into cos square a. So sin square a into sin square a. So what you are going to get? Sin square a whole square minus cos square a whole square by sin square a into cos square a. Yes. So a square minus b square. So you write in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Sin square a plus cos square a into sin square a minus cos square a by sin square a into cos square a. Here you can see according to trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So that is 1 into sin square a minus cos square a by sin square a into cos square a. Here you are going to write down what? Write down separately. Sin square a by sin square a into cos square a minus cos square a by sin square a into cos square a. Cos square, sin square will be get cancel. What is remaining here? 1 by cos square a minus 1 by sin square a. 1 by cos square means secant square a minus cosecant square. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. As the answer is proved. Yes, now we go for the second problem. So what is given in the second problem? See carefully. Is given as sin a plus 2b value as root 3 by 2, cos a plus 4b value is equals to 0. We have to find the value of a is equal to how much, b is equal to how much. Now here see carefully, write down both separately. First, given that sin a plus b is equals to root 3 by 2, cos a plus 4b is equals to 0. Sin a plus b equals to, when you will get root 3 by 2, sin 60 degrees. Cos a plus 4b is equals to, when you are getting 0 in cos 90 degrees. Sin will be get cancelled. A plus b value you are getting how much? 60 degrees. A plus 4b value you are getting how much? 90 degrees. This is equation number 2. Number 2. Solving equation 2 and equation 1. A plus 4b is equal to 90 degrees. A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Solve these two. Minus minus minus. 4 minus 4b minus 1b is 3b. 90 minus 60 is 30 degrees. So b value will get how much? 10 degrees. B you are getting 10 degrees. Substitute b in equation 1. Substitute b is equal to 10 degrees in equation number 1. So what you are getting? A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. A plus 10 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Take plus 10 to the right hand side. Then a value becomes 60 degrees minus 10 degrees. A value will become how much? 50 degrees. So this is all the one paper set. This is May month paper 1 question and solutions, questions and solutions. Yes, in 2 marks what are the questions we got in the set number 3 in May month. So now we are going to solve these problems. See the first question. What is the first question is given as 2 cosecant square 30 degrees plus x sine square 60 degrees minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 degrees value is 10. Now see how. First write down these values aside. Cosecant 30 degrees value is 2. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. So please write down these values aside and keep with you, so that when we are solving the problem it becomes very easy to substitute all the values. Yes, now see the problem. 2 into cosecant 30 degrees value is 2 square plus x into sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4 into tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 10. Now 2 into 2 square, 2 2s are 4 plus x into, write down the squares both separately, root 3 whole square by 2 whole square minus, write down this 3 by 4 as it is, 1 by root 3, write down 1 by root 3 whole square separately, which is equal to value number 10. Here see, square and root will be get cancelled. Here also square and root will be get cancelled. 2 4s becomes 8 plus x into remaining value is 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Here square root will get cancelled, only remaining is 1 by 3 is equal to 10. Here also 3 1s are 3 1. Sir, can we not cancel? No, you should not cancel this 3 by 4 3 by 4. Why? Because this is x into 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4 into another fraction, that is 1 by 3. Now what is remaining? 8 plus x into 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 10. X into 3 becomes 3x. 8 plus 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 10. Take this fraction, send plus 8 that side. So 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 value becomes how much? 2. So 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2. Here if you see the left hand side, both are in the like fractions. Like fractions are nothing but we are having both the denominators will be same. So denominator will becomes 4. 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Do your cross multiplication. What you are going to get? 3x minus 1 equals to 4 2s are 8. So minus 1 you take to right hand side. 3x value becomes 8 plus 1. So 3x value becomes 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 3 1 times, 3 3 times. X value becomes how much? 3. So this is the answer. We should not prove is equal to 10. Here we have to find out the value of x. So finally you are going to get the value, x value is equal to like this, 3. So this is a question which was given in the May 26 question paper. So if you do any doubts, please do comment in the comment box compulsory. Everyone. Yes. Now we'll go for the next question. If cos A value is 2 by 5, we have to find, then find 4 plus 4 tan square A value is how much? Now see how I'm going to solve this problem. What is given? Cos A value is given. So before going to solve, draw the right angle triangle, write on the sides opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. We know that cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 2 by 5. Adjacent value is 2, hypotenuse value is 5. So do towards the right hand side, what is that? Hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse value is 5 square equals to, we have to find out opposite square, plus adjacent square is 2 square. 5 5 is 25 is equal to opposite square plus 4. Bring 4 to left hand side. 25 minus 4 becomes opposite square. Write down in the order. Opposite square equals to 21. Square goes right hand side, becomes root. Opposite value becomes root 21. Now comes to the question. We have to prove that what is the value of 4 plus 4 tan square A. So what is tan theta? Tan theta means opposite by adjacent. What is opposite value? Root 21. What is the adjacent value? 2. Now see, 4 plus 4 into tan square A, root 21 by 2 whole square. 4 plus 4 into, write down square separately, root 21 whole square by 2 whole square. 4 plus 4 into, here square and root will be get cancelled, we are going to get the value 21. Denominator 2 square value becomes 4. Now you see, this is 4 is a integer value which comes only for the whole number for the numerator. If nothing is there in the denominator, there is always 1. So 4 ones are 4 ones are. What is the remaining? 4 plus 21. So what is the final answer? 25. So what you are going to write? Therefore 4 plus 4 tan square A value is 25. I think everyone is able to understand all the problems. So if you are unable to see the video properly, just do comment in the comment box compulsory. Yes. Now see the next question. What is given in the next question? Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Then we have to prove that tan theta plus cot theta value as 1. This one we have to prove that. Sir, how we have to prove that? Now see, the logic is very simple. If you take tan theta plus cot theta, you cannot prove it. We have to take sin theta plus cos theta, compulsory. Then only you can able to prove this one. How, sir? Look here. Now first we are taking this value, see carefully. How, sir? Tan theta plus cot theta. What is tan theta? How you are going to write? Sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta. How you are going to write? Cos theta by sin theta. Here you do cross multiplication, denominator multiplication. Sin into sin become sin square theta plus cos into cos become cos square theta. Denominator sin into cos sin theta into cos theta. According to trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1, as we know that. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value, we know that it is 1. Now in the numerator we are writing 1, denominator we are writing sin theta into cos theta. Here comes the main answer. Now we have to take this one. What is that? Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Sir, how we are going to write that? We have to write sin theta into cos theta. We have to get the value right over here. We have to get the value 1. How, sir? Look here. Now see, if you see this one, sin plus cos, it in the form of a plus b. If you think, if it is a plus b, now we are doing squaring on both sides. So if you do squaring on both sides, what you will get? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 3 whole square. This one is in the form of, if you think a as sin theta, b as cos theta, a plus b whole square. We know a plus b whole square. What is that? A square. That is in place of sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to, here root whole square will be get cancelled. We are going to get the value only 3 here. Now see, how you will write sin theta whole square as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 3. As we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is already 1. We wrote here. So what you are going to write? 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3. Plus 1 take to right hand side. 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, how much you are going to get? 2. That is 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2. 2 will be get cancelled. So what you are going to get the value here? Sin theta into cos theta value 1. See, here we got sin theta equals to cos theta value 1. So you can substitute here. So finally what you are going to get the value? Listen here. Tan theta plus cot theta value, what we got? 1 by sin theta into cos theta. As we know, sin theta plus cos theta value is 1. So 1 by 1 value we are going to get 1. That's it. Like this you are going to prove this solution. Yes. So let me show you once again. See, this is the March paper. In the March paper, 3 marks questions we got it, question number 29. When it comes to May question paper, the same question which is repeated in the March as well as the same question which is repeated in the May itself. That means in the mains also we got the same question, and in the improvement also we got the same question. You can see the 29th A question and 26th A question. Both the questions are same. And here now comes to the next question. What is the next question? So I'm going to show the question next. So next question is, what is the next question? Sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square. You have to prove that 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Now see how neatly we are going to solve this problem. Solution: take LHS. Given that sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square. This is a form of a plus b into a plus b. Both are in the a plus b whole square. What you will write? Sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta cosecant theta. Here this one, cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 cos theta into secant theta. Now towards the right side, first I will write the reciprocals. What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. What is cosecant theta? 1 by sin theta. Sin theta. See, in place of secant theta we are writing 1 by cos theta. In place of cosecant theta we are writing 1 by sin theta. Now see, sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta into 1 by sin theta plus cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 cos theta into 1 by cos theta. Cos theta will be get cancelled. Sin theta will be get cancelled. So what is remaining right over here? See, sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus here remaining 2 plus cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2. See, sin square theta plus cos square theta right front and add 2 plus 2 becomes 4. See what you are going to get? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus next add on secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 4. Now in the next line, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. As we know that here we are going to write the all the three trigonometric ratios. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Cosecant square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Secant square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. These we are going to substitute now. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. Because in place of cosecant square theta we are going to substitute 1 plus cot square theta. In place of secant square theta 1 plus tan square theta. That's it. 1 plus secant square means 1 plus tan square theta. Cosecant square theta means 1 plus cot square theta is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. That's it. So we are taking the LHS and we are proving the RHS. Class. Yeah, this is both the papers are May question papers. Now we are going back to the sets of the March question papers which we already solved. Yeah, next question is, see the next question. We have to prove that sin A plus secant A whole square plus cos A plus cosecant A whole square is equal to 1 plus secant A into cosecant A whole square. Now first we have to take the LHS. What is LHS? sin a plus secant a whole square plus cos a plus cosecant a whole square. Just now we did this problem right over back side, so I'm going to write the answers directly. See, here we got here already sin square theta cosecant. These are the lines I'm going to write directly right over here. So what you are going to get here, look here carefully. Sin square a plus secant square a plus 2 sin a into secant a plus cos square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 into cos a into cosecant a. So sin square a plus cos square a, write one side. Sin square a plus cos square a then write down secant square a plus cosecant square a. Lastly write down 2 into sin a into secant a plus 2 into cos a into cosecant a. As you know the reciprocals, secant a means 1 by cos a, cosecant a means 1 by sin a. Now see, and as you know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So I'm going to write here 1 plus secant square a plus 2 into sin a into 1 by cos a plus cosecant square a plus 2 into cos a into 1 by sin. So write down this one in the order 1 plus secant square a plus 2 into sin a by cos a plus cosecant square plus 2 into cos a by sin. As you know reciprocal, we are going to write the reciprocal. 1 plus secant square means 1 by cos square a plus 2 into sin a by cos a plus cosecant square means 1 by sin square a plus 2 into cos a by sin. No, sir. So what you are going to get in the denominator, if you do the denominator LCM, what you are going to get? Sin square a into cos square a. Here nothing is there means you will get an answer here. In 1 multiply with sin square a cos square a. What will you get? Sin square a plus sin square a into cos square a plus already cos square a there means what is the missing one? Sin square a plus here cos is there. Yes, cos only there, here only cos there. Yes, sin square a is not there. Yes, so what you can write here? 2 sin, here square there, sin square a into sin a into cos a plus here also same, sin cos square not there, cos square a plus 2 into cos, here the square there, cos square a into cos a into sin. So it is little bit big we are getting. See carefully. Yes, so we have tried in order. What you are going to get the answer? Just now look it down. So we got just now what you got the question. So I'm going to write the step one more time. 1 plus secant square can be written as 1 by cos square A plus 2 sin A by cos A. If you take this one as first part, then 1 by sin square A plus 2 cos A by sin. So leave about this one. Just keep concentrate only on 1 plus. So if you take the LCM, you will get cos square A. What you will get here? 1 plus 2 sin A into cos A. Plus here also if you take sin square A as LCM, here also you will get 1 plus 2 into sin A into cos A. 1 plus. So if you write this one, how you are going to get the answer? This one also you will get same. This one also you will get same. Why? Because in place of 1 we can write sin A plus sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A by cos square A, plus here also same sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A by sin square A. Now 1 plus this in the A plus B whole square, sin A plus cos A whole square by cos square A plus sin A plus cos A whole square by sin square A. Write down the square separately. How you will get? 1 plus sin A plus cos A by cos A whole square plus sin A plus cos A by sin A whole square. Write down the value separately. 1 plus sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A whole square plus this one also sin A by sin A plus cos A by sin A whole square. 1 plus cos A will be get cancelled. Sin A sin by cos you will get tan A plus 1 whole square plus 1 plus cot A whole square. Yes, 1 plus tan square A plus 1 plus 2 tan A plus 1 plus cot square A plus 2 cot A. 1 plus what you can write in place of 1? Tan square A. Tan square A can be secant square A minus tan square A. Tan square means you can write it as secant square A minus 1 plus 2 tan A plus 1 plus we can write cosecant square minus cot square cot square theta means cosecant square A minus 1 plus 2 cot A. See, plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 will be get cancelled. 1 plus remaining is secant square A, yes, plus cosecant square A plus 2 tan A plus 2 cot A. So how you are going to solve this one? 1 plus secant square A plus tan. So we got this answer. Now finally we will solve 1 plus tan A. What you are going to get this one answer? 1 plus secant A into cosecant A whole square. This is A plus B whole square formula. What is that? A square. A plus B whole square. A square plus secant A into cosecant A whole square, B square plus 2 secant A into cosecant A. 1 square value 1 plus secant square A into cosecant square a plus 2 secant a into cosecant a. 1 plus 1 by cos square a into 1 by sin square a plus 2 into 1 by cos a into 1 by sin. 1 plus 1 by sin square a into cos square a plus 2 by sin a into cos. If you take the denominator, what you are going to get? Sin square a into cos square a. In the numerator here, sin square a into cos square a plus 1 plus 2 sin a cos a. So this one we got the answer. Yes. Yes, is any options are there to solve this problem? So in place of 1 we can write it as sin square a into cos square a plus 1 plus you can write it as sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a by sin square a into cos square a. So now we go for the next problem. I think most of the question papers we got the same questions. Yeah, the same questions are repeated. So if you want, I will explain this problem once again. See the question which we got from this textbook, you can see clearly This is a NCERT R.D. Sharma textbook. So this question we got in CBSE 2020. So this is a question of 2000. In 26 years back, we got this question. So for your sake, I am going to explain the same problem once again. Listen carefully. What is that question? Sin theta plus secant theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square. You have to prove that 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta whole square. We have to prove this question. See carefully. Now see, in place of secant theta we are going to take 1 by cos theta. In place of cosecant theta we are going to replace 1 by sin theta. That's it. So the half of the problem will be solved here. First, previous problem also I am explained clearly that we first have to convert the problems. Now see, what is this? Sin theta plus 1 by cos theta whole square plus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta whole square. Just try to do first cross multiplication for this one. We are going to convert in the form of a plus b whole square. Very simple. A square sin square theta plus 1 by cos square theta into 2 into sin theta into 1 by cos theta. Here also same. How we are going to solve? Cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta plus 2 into cos theta into 1 by sin theta. That's it. Now see, sin square theta plus 1 by cos square theta plus 2 into sin theta by cos theta plus cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta plus 2 into cos theta by sin theta. Now write down this sin and cos square theta at one position. What you will write? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus write down next one. What is that? 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. Write down lastly 2 sin theta by cos theta plus 2 cos theta by sin theta. Now see, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 plus take this one in the bracket and this one in the bracket. So do cross multiplication. Sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta into cos square theta plus from both the terms take 2 common, sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 plus here sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta plus 2 into, do cross multiplication here also, sin into sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. 1 plus here value becomes 1. So 1 by sin square we can write it as cos square theta so let it be. Now you see 1 by sin square theta cos square theta plus 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Now this one we are writing as a plus b whole square. How? See, listen lastly, 1 plus, both are having square, no, we can write 1 by sin theta into cos theta whole square. 1, this one you can write 1 square plus a square plus b square plus 2 into 1 into 1 by sin theta into cos theta, a square plus b square plus 2a. So a square plus b square plus 2ab formula is what? A plus b whole square. That one I am writing right here. That means, see carefully here, 1 plus 1 by sin theta into cos theta whole square 1 plus 1 by sine is nothing but cosecant theta. 1 by cos is nothing but secant theta whole square. So finally we have proved the problem. See, so I will show you the clearly question paper. This is the question paper. See carefully. Sin A plus secant A. This question you can see the question carefully. This question we got from the R.D. Sharma book. You can see here clearly. Yes, I'll compare and show the question. Here is given in terms of A, here is given in terms of theta. If you want, you can compare both the questions. See both the questions. This is 2022 R.D. Sharma book. This is. So I am having two R.D. Sharma books, which is of. So this is R.D. Sharma book which I have. It is 2020, and this is the R.D. Sharma book of 2022. Now you can see the question we got from the textbook. If you go through thoroughly, all the questions will be printed. See carefully. This is the 2000 CBSE question paper that we got in 2026 as March main paper. 2026 March main paper we got this question. So if you go through the question clearly through R.D. Sharma, there may be getting of chances more number of questions from this book. So I'll try to rectify and show still some more questions which might be repeated from this textbook. If it's possible, I'll try to solve more number of problems from these textbooks. Yeah, you can see the same question here. You can see the question. There is no change in the question. See, this is the question which is repeated right over here. So if you go through the R.D. Sharma book clearly, then you can able to solve the problems easily. Sir, can we expect only these questions from the textbook? No, you can expect different kinds of questions from the textbook. Different kinds of questions from the textbooks. So that depends on how many problems you are going to practice through these books. Before going to do that one, first you have to do revise of the textbook. So I'll write the concept first. First, what we have to do? First, go through the textbook. Textbook revision has to done 2 to 3 times. 2 to 3 times with each example and exercise problems compulsory. Example and exercise compulsory. Okay, then either you go for the any of the book. So I prefer mostly R.D. Sharma better to take. If any of your super seniors, those who are having the R.D. Sharma book, so try to take from them. So better to go with R.D. Sharma, or you can go for some other books like Aryan publications also you can take. So it depends upon the student which year. So before taking this R.D. Sharma book, but the textbook has to be done revision at least 2 to 3 times, entire textbook. That is the main thing you have to do. Remaining all the problems are be solved. So I'll try to show you all the questions which got from this textbook. If it is possible, I'll bring the questions, 3 marks questions, 1 mark, 2 marks questions, 1 mark MCQ questions, and 3 marks questions we are going to get from the trigonometric chapter. So these are the problems which we got in the March and in the May month, in the main standard question paper, as well as in the improvement question paper also. Like this kind of different kind of questions I'll try to bring to you. So those who are watching this channel, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that it gives more motivation to me to explain more number of problems coming to in the live sessions, coming further live sessions. So this is the end of the today's session. Tomorrow I'll catch you guys at the same time. So we are going to get near to near values, not exactly same. Let me show you one more problem. Here you can see the question here. Can you see this question? If tan A is equals to root 2 minus 1. See the question carefully. I'm going to underline this one. Where we got this question? See. Tan A is equals to root 2 minus 1. In the May month, 3 marks question, we got this value. Yes, let me show you that question. Yeah, look at here. There is no changes. See, tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1. Here also see, tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1. That's why I am telling you, go through your textbook once. Then after that, immediately try to, most of the students try to prefer this, both the books, the R.D. Sharma books. So I will try to bring few example questions which we got from the textbook itself. So this is today's live session ending. Thank you.